animals.
Hello, my name is Jellyfish. Let me introduce you to my friends. Come with me. Here comes our first friend, the dolphin. Dolphins are smart and fast.
Dolphin. Dolphin.
Next, say hello to the gentle sea turtle. Sea turtle swims slowly.
Turtle. Turtle.
Now, we will meet the funniest one, the fish. Fish is so small and cute.
Fish. Fish.
Wow, look at the octopus. It has 8 arms.
Octopus. Octopus.
And here's the shark. Sharks are strong swimmers and have very sharp teeth.
Shark. Shark.
Here's our tiny friend, the shrimp. Shrimp are small but very quick.
Shrimp. Shrimp.
Say hello to Mr. Crab. Crabs walk sideways and have strong claws to pick up food and protect themselves.
Crab. Crab.
Wow! A flying fish. These amazing fish can leap out of the water.
Flying fish. Flying fish.
Look, clam. Clams live inside hard shells and stay in one place.
Clam. Clam.
Here's a playful seal. Seals are great swimmers and love to play in the waves.
Seal. Seal.
And this our giant friend is the blue whale, the biggest animal on earth.
Whale. Whale.
Here comes the lobster. Lobsters have hard shells, long antennae, and big claws.
Lobster. Lobster.
Here's a sea snail. They move very slowly and carry their shells on their backs.
Sea snails. Sea snails.
Look at the starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and can grow them back if they lose one.
Starfish. Starfish.
Here's the magical seahorse. They swim upright and float gently.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Finally, here's algae. It's not an animal. It's a plant-like organism that makes oxygen and food for many ocean creatures.
Algae. Algae.
Did you have fun meeting my friends? Next time, please introduce me to your friend. Bye-bye.